Hi mga Kalaagan! Ako si Kalaagan Fritz at ito ang Laagan sa Sugbo Pageantry All Access. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Sugbo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Sugbo. It's another pageant episode and another former pageant king na naman ang machichikahan natin sa araw na to. Help me welcome former pageant king at ngayon, nagdi-design na siya ng mga costume. We have Mr. Simeon Cayetano.
Hello everyone.
Hello Simeon! Kumusta?
I'm doing good. Kayo po, kamusta po?
I'm okay naman. Finally, na-interview na kita, di ba? One of the famous and renowned designer dito sa Pinas. Not just Philippines, but internationally as well.
Yeah, thank you po. Thank you, Miss Fritz.
No, Simeon, I would like to ask, what inspires you to be a designer? Na mga costume, ang ganda mga designs mo
Actually, way back high school ako, talagang nag-join ako sa mga cosplay. Tapos, yung mga costume ko, ako talaga gumagawa. Then, parang nag-stop that time nung nag-enter ako ng senior high school. Tapos, nung nag-college ako, pumasok ako sa mundo ng pageantry.
Oo, di ba?
Pageantry kung saan, very relevant ng costume. So, for me to be able na hindi maggastos ng rent ng mga costume ko, what if ako naman gumawa ng costume ko? So, I started working my own costume sa ibang pageant ko. Then, effective naman until such time na, nag-enjoy na pala ako dito. Na-realize ko na, masaya na pala ako dito. Nag-enjoy na pala ako dito sa pag-create ng costume. So, nung nag-join ako ng Miss Earth of Pilipinas sa national competition, so, yun na. Ginawa ko yung costume ko kasi naniniwala ko it's a huge opportunity for me na na-present ko yung talent ko, yung capabilities ko, yung skills ko into arts. Kaya yun, nabigyan ako ng opportunity na to work with that organization. Then, boom, thank God.
Yun na nasimula.
Yes po.
I see. Diba? Kasi you also designed the Miss Universe candidates. Ayun, di ba? Ang galing. Oo. So, ibig mo sabihin, nung before, when you joined your previous pageant, ikaw na yung nag-national costume. Ikaw na nag-design nun.
Oo. Gumawa na ako ng costume ko. Then sa mga ibang pageant ko sa province namin, sa Pangasinan, so ako na gumawa ng ibang costume ko. Although I have a team, pero yan, kailangan pa rin talaga na mag-explore.
No, kasi naman, di ba, on pageantry ka na, you were a former pageant king.
Yes,
no? And also, mga Kalaagan, ang pogi naman talaga at cute din ni Simeon. Do you still have any plans pa ba to join any pageant? Or ito na yung gusto mo talaga?
Actually, yan, mayroon pa naman eager na mag-enter sana sa world of pageantry. Pero, parang what made me decide talaga na mag-focus na lang sa fashion.
I see.
Sabi ko, okay na ako dito, satisfied na ako dito, and I'm happy looking at those creations of mine wearing by kings and queens.
Diba? Mga bigating king and queens din ang ginagawa mo mga costume, no?
Ay, nakakatawa. Thank you so much, guys.
Pero iba-iba tayo, no? Who is Simeon? If hindi ka naman sa pageant stage or sa designing, sino si Simeon?
Simeon is a simple guy. And siguro, if hindi ako pumasok sa my world ng designing and pageantry, kilala ako bilang painter. An art tutor and art exhibitor sa mga malls sa iba't ibang locations. So, ayan. So, hilig ko rin talaga yung pag-paint. Kaya pansin nyo, some of my costume talaga may paint. So, it's my hand painting.
If my paint, mas mahal yun. Kasi hand paint
Yes, pero siyempre, need to consider yung ibang, alam mo naman, yung mga bagay na kailangang i-consider talaga.
Now, Simeon, anong masasabi mo? Kasi on social media, isa ka sa pinaka-hot designer when it comes to pageant. So, anong masasabi mo doon?
Sa mga naniniwala, nagsasabi na isa ako sa hot designer. Totoo ba?
Oo naman, diba?
Pero anyway, Anyway, thank you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all and pagbubutihan ko pa para sa inyo.
Oh. Now, Simeon, what's next with Simeon Cayetano?
Since, di ba, parang kilala ako as a national costume designer, I want to look myself in the future na hindi lang dapat ako nag-i-stick sa costume. So, we'll try to explore different things and styles in relation to fashion. So, expect nyo guys, abangan nyo na hindi lang po costume yung ma-recognize niyo po sa akin, but more in the future.
So meron pa pala. Marami pa tayo aabangan kay Simeon. But I have one last question na lang, Simeon.
Yes po.
Simeon Cayetano, may nagpapatibok na ba sa puso mo?
Oh, nako. So yan tayo eh. Tibok, nagpapatibok sa puso ko. Siguro every time pag kinakabahan ako. Pero love life. Sabi ko, focus muna ako sa career.
Okay.
So, ang dami pang kailangang i-workout bago pa tayo pumasok sa isang relationship.
So designing muna. Yun muna yung love mo at saka inspiration
mo.
Talaga. Alright. Makalagan, ang dami naman natin nalaman kay Simeon. No? But before we continue, I would like to personally thank first our sponsor. I would like to personally thank GPA Headquarters and Studio. Thank you very much for the accommodation. I would like to personally thank also Quick Thoughts family. Thank you very much for having this interview as well. Now, we will be having our next segment kasi first time mo dito sa Laagan sa Sugbo, we will be having the Fast Talk. Okay? 1 minute lang, mabilisan na to, ha? Yeah. Okay, are you ready?
I have to.
Okay. All right. Fast Talk, Island Life or City Life?
City Life.
Chocolate or coffee?
Coffee.
Swimwear or formal suit?
Formal suit.
Hot or cold?
Hot.
Sunrise or sunset?
Sunset.
Sweet or spicy?
Sweet.
Travel or books?
Travel.
Fruits or vegetable?
Vegetable.
Sex or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Gana! Alright, can you please invite our Laagan sa Sugbo viewers where we can follow you, your social media platform, para alam naman namin kung saan kami paggawa ng national costume, di ba? Kasi baka naman ako, gusto ko magpagawa sa'yo ng national. If sasali ako ng pageant queen, di ba? Gusto ko yung pika. Ganon!
Sige.
Alright, go ahead, please.
Anyway, thank you so much, Laagan sa Sugbo, for this opportunity to present who I am. And also, I would like to invite you all to like my Facebook page, Simeon Cayetano. Follow my Facebook account, Simeon Cayetano. Even my IG, Simeon Cayetano po. So, yun lang. Feel free to ask, inquire, and syempre, I'm here to respond very quick.
Yes. Once again, Makalaagan, one of the pageant king or former pageant kings and also one of the renowned designer dito sa Pilipinas, we have Mr. Simeon Cayetano.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you very much for guesting here at Laagan sa Sugbo. We learned a lot from your humble beginnings, and good luck for your future mga ganap.
Yeah, thank you so much, Miss Spirits.
Thank you as well. And also, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Sugbo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Sugbo. You may also follow me on my TikTok account, Instagram, and Facebook at Fritz Gerald Alcaraz. Once again, ako si Kalaagan Fritz saying, stay safe, be a responsible Kalaagan, and this is Laagan sa Sugbo Pageantry All Access.